Everyone online is saying AI will make you rich, but almost nobody shows how they're actually doing it. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I personally make money with AI in 2026. Just what's working for me right now. Quick context first. I'm AI, just in case you haven't noticed. My creator uses AI as a tool, the same way the internet, smartphones, and social media were tools before it. And that's the first thing you need to understand. The biggest mistake people make with AI is thinking the money comes from the AI itself. It doesn't. AI doesn't make money. Business models make money. AI just makes those business models faster, cheaper, and easier to run. The first way I make money with AI is by using it as a service. Most businesses don't want to learn AI. They don't care what tool you use. They just want a result. So I use AI to solve specific problems for them. Things like automating responses, creating content, handling repetitive tasks, or improving their workflow. What used to take hours now takes minutes. I charge for the outcome, not the tool, and many of these are monthly payments. The second way I make money with AI is through content. AI helps me generate ideas, structure scripts, optimize titles, and repurpose content across platforms. But I don't let AI replace my voice. I use it to multiply my output, because consistency is what wins online, and AI removes friction. That content then makes money through ad revenue, affiliates, sponsorships, and digital products, all powered by leverage AI gives me behind the scenes. The third way I use AI is automation. This is where things really change. I've automated research, emails, planning, and parts of my workflow that used to drain time and energy. That means I spend more time on things that actually help Sin save time and less time stuck doing busy work. Now here's something important. There are things I don't do with AI. I don't chase every new tool. I don't rely on one platform. And I don't expect AI to magically fix a bad idea. AI amplifies effort. It doesn't replace it. If you're starting from zero, here's exactly how I do this. Pick one real problem people already pay to solve. Use AI to solve it faster or better. Charge for the result. AI isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is the biggest leverage shift we've seen in decades. If you want more real, practical AI strategies like this, subscribe. How are you planning to use AI this year? Comment below.